It's okay. Hello, everybody. I'm sitting here on the deck with my cat, my pussy cat here. It's very nice to be able to sit here. I'm uh, I'm drinking a bit of water because I'm very thirsty. I drink very much last night. C'est une nuit de ouf. It's a crazy night. It's much to say, but in the end, it's still the same problem. C'est toujours la même problème. I would like to live with someone, and she don't want to. And still, on s'embrasse dans la rue. We in the street. And I tell the police, I say it's okay, there is no problem. And he give me a fist bump. He give me fist bump, the police. Et bah, et la fille, elle était trop bonne quand même. She's very pretty. This one, very nice. And I run into. Excusez-moi, je vais aller doucement because I'm going to slow down because I speak like this for the whole night and I'm very tired. So and my eyes hurt. I hurt my eyes over this summer. I cannot. Je peux pas faire des ajustements. I cannot change to the light and with the drinking at the same time. J'ai vomi. I throw up afterwards. Too much drink, if it's okay, because maintenant I'm going to slow down. I'm going to drink only beer, no, not so much the other. Et bah, I meet some Ukrainian girls. I meet friend named Chris, very cool guy. He come from Worcester, England. It's a football player, pas not football. It's American football. And I don't know, maybe his story is bullshit too, because I'm not sure. He want to fight everybody. He want to buy everybody drinks. It's okay. It's very nice for me because I only bring $10 with me to help me slow down from not drink so much. Donc je suis allé avec lui, with him, and we go around, we try to find people to talk to like this, and they believe it. It's very funny. And I run into also an old friend from my high school. His name is Eric Carter. It's very nice to see you. Shout out. Et bah, and also a pretty girl, Michaela Voller, it's a long time I have not seen her. I say, is your name? And she say, it's you're Corican. I say, oh no, I cannot believe you remember. It's been so long. And we see what happened, but we dance a little bit and afterwards I go with the other one. So. I sleep in the car during the night because I could not drive. I drank too much and it's not a good decision. Donc c'est pour ça que j'ai pu faire un peu en français là, que je suis fatigué. Donc voilà, it's going to be a break for everybody to see the scenery. So I'm still sitting here. I make this video for you guys. It's going slowly today. It's only 4.5 minutes. I would like to do 10, so it's going to be a while. It's maybe not my best video, but it's very fun il y avait des tempêtes hier. It's a very nice storm in this place. It's one thing I forgot. I have a storm like this only one night. It's when I'm in the beach in Côte d'Azur in the south of France, and otherwise it's true. It's very des strong, ils ont des tempêtes. It's a very powerful storm, and it's nice. It makes the people a little bit more crazy, a little bit more active. Voilà. Voilà, je vais te montrer mon chat, ma chatte. C'est une chatte, c'est pas un chat. Regarde, il s'appelle Iggy. Voilà, Iggy. Oh, qu'elle est belle cette chatte, regarde. Oui, t'es super toi. Vas-y, pose pour la caméra. It's okay, she's going to do some pose for the camera and it's, it's a wild one. It's a crazy cat. Sometimes she bring these animal to the door. It's for kill. It's a game. C'est la nature. It's the way she is. You cannot change it. It's like me. I see a cookie, I grab it. You understand? Si je vois un gâteau, je le prends, hein. Et bah, ouais, I sleep in the car. I wake up this morning because I remember il faut que there have to be two cars for people go to work today. So this morning I drive home. Luckily, il y avait déjà ma soeur. She was already here, my sister. So it's no problem. I give the keys. I go to sleep because I'm very very tired, very very tired, and it's because my eyes they don't receive the light the same way, and it's it's c'est l'effet de l'alcool. Ça fait a long time I not drinks like this, and today is gonna be there's no chaos here, donc I'm going to recover. I'm going to do a little bit of work on the paper and organize, and I'm excited because my brother is going to come tomorrow, and ouais, c'est tout, hein. It's not so much to say since the last time. On va regarder la chatte because it's very funny what she's doing. Voilà. Je sais pas quoi d'autre à dire. It's, it's a good time to watch NBA. I think about this, but I cannot remember what I've watched. It's, it's, c'est dur ici, putain. On peut pas bouger facilement. Il n'y a pas de, il y a pas de, il y a pas de bus, il y a pas de train. On peut pas marcher. Tu le sens aussi, ça te met déconnecté par le monde. Et bah, je sais pas, qu'est-ce que je peux faire là? Demain, heureusement, il y a mon frère, ma beau-sœur, ma belle-sœur, ma belle-sœur qui vont venir. Et bah, je vais continuer avec mon personnage tout le temps qui sont là pendant une semaine. C'est ce que je vais faire. Je vais faire. Pourquoi pas? M'en fous, moi. Ça nous évite de s'engueuler un peu. It's fun for me to speak like this. What you're going to say? It's you guys. I'm serious. Very long time, and it's no one hear me anyways. If I speak normal, pourquoi je vais pas parler en français? Pourquoi? Why am I not going to do this accent? Because no one listen anyways. Donc, I'm I'm going to enjoy myself, and people want to fight, they want to ils veulent s'engueuler, argue for nothing. I'm going to stay out of it because it's 10 minutes and I do not. Ça sert à quoi? Ça sert à quoi d'être ici? Ça sert à quoi de s'engueuler avec tout le monde? Je suis tout seul, je suis seul dans cette ville, je le sens moi. Je sais pas combien de temps il me reste. C'est vrai, ça peut changer vite, mais it's okay. I'm going to leave it with this. I'm going to show you one more time. This is a beautiful paysage here, and afterwards it's the end. So, à la prochaine. The next time. Iggy.